See ya. So, first day in Kathmandu. This place looks like it's post-apocalyptic. There is so much dust, it's kind of crazy. Tid-bits, nice to meet you. The best place ever. This place tastes amazing. See ya. So I just had an amazing meal, amazing people I just met. But unlit, completely dark river, spidey sense is tingling. It's time to get out of Dodge. Trust your gut, always. It is 7:10 and this place is buzzing. I haven't even got to the peak of the day yet. Got some markets going on. Kathmandu is kind of crazy. Just wander around without bumping into people all the time. Doesn't look like it's gonna happen, but I guess that's the charm of the place. I am at the Central Hospital here in Kathmandu. My great aunt, she was a missionary. Couldn't get back into India. She had the skills to do the administration and to set up the filing system. She was invited to Nepal to set up something over here. So in this hospital, their record system is thank you very much, Amma. It's cool to be here somewhere that you work. Is the morning after. Went over the pass, from there, over and down. It's a weird feeling. We're past the pass. It's kind of like a finale. I didn't do it as cool as the Koreans did. I feel shamed. These guys are so excited. I wish I had got their shouts on camera. I want to be that excited. I really do. Goodbye, Annapurna.